Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are good. Rice is one of the major foods we cannot do without. We eat it almost every time, and sometimes eating a particular food all the time can be very boring. But do not worry, you can still up your rice game by giving it a twist, like eating it with a variety of nutritious sauce. And that is why I am sharing with you today this delicious mouth-watering mushroom sauce. In fact, if you try this with white rice, trust me, you will want to eat it every day. Let's get started. We are going to be needing chicken breast, already cleaned, now cut into small cubes or smaller cubes or to your desirable size. If today is your first time coming across this channel, welcome to MIRA'S family. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, to those coming back to watch, sharing our videos, thank you so much. We really appreciate. Guys, it's time to marinate this chicken. So I added soya sauce, some seasoning cubes. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Okay, I added oregano, black pepper, garlic powder. Mix until it is well combined. Okay, once that is done, go ahead, cover and let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then set aside. Next, we have our mushroom. I'm using the white one. You can use any mushroom of your choice. It is okay, right? Okay, now give it a nice wash.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger. You go humble your spirit, but whatever it.
Now the mushroom is ready. Go ahead and cut to your desirable size or shape. Once you are done, set it aside.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put call we active. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belly, you know who to call. But you don't do what they wash and cook, na so son.
Our mushroom is ready. Let's go ahead to cook the marinated chicken. In a cooking pot or saucepan, add some little vegetable oil. You can as well use olive oil, okay? Heat it up. Once done, add little salt. Now go ahead and add in your chopped onions and saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in the marinated chicken breast. Stir and keep cooking until the chicken is well done or turns brown enough. Then take it out from the pot and set aside. Now the chicken is well cooked, set aside. In the same pot, drop in little oil, add the chopped onions and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now the onions is done, Add in your ginger and garlic paste and stir.
Your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a
It is time to add in the mushroom, okay?
I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you did.
You have to cook this mushroom until the water dries up. Yeah. Mushroom contains a 92% of water. Yeah, you can see it on the screen here. You have to keep stirring, cooking until the water dries up. This is a whole lot, right? So keep cooking and stirring until the water dries up. So the next, I have mushroom spices. So I'm going to be dissolving it in water. Once done, I set it aside.
I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you did. Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
Now the sauce is ready, set it aside. Let's go and check on our pot. At this point, the mushroom is done. Now season it up with some seasoning cube, ginger and garlic paste, and give it a nice stir. Then add in little curry powder. So at this point, you really need to be careful so you don't overspice this sauce, okay? I poured in the mushroom sauce. This sauce contains a lot of spices, salt, seasoning cubes, and the rest, okay? Now I poured in my whipping cream. Give it a nice stir, add some water to it. Feel free to taste for salt or seasonings, okay? So I checked, it wasn't enough. I added little seasonings and salt and my fresh pepper. Of course, we have to add pepper, okay? Give it a nice stir. Now add in the cooked chicken breast. Once you're done stirring, cover the pot and allow to simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce has thickened and cooked through. 10 minutes later, I checked on the pot. Wow, the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, you cannot resist it. Guys, it is ready. So turn off the cooker because once it gets cold, it's going to be more thick, okay? So it is time to serve. You can enjoy this sauce with potato, spaghetti, rice, or in whichever way you prefer. This tasted so super delicious. Honestly, try out this recipe and you will not regret it. So I enjoyed my with white rice. This tasted so super delicious, yummylicious. For the meantime, hey, this is the sauce I'll be eating at home. I really enjoyed it. Our mushroom sauce is ready. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next one. And remember, blessed. Bye.